So one of the things that you can do is rename out clips inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to do that, you need to go around under project assets right here, and here you can see that the name of this particular video is file. So you can go around and right click and simply rename it out right here, and you can give it a more sensible name. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and then rename this. I'm going to go around and say nature scene right here, just like this. And what happens is that it'll be renamed out, as you can see right here, and it makes much more sense right here, as you can see, as it says nature scene over here. Similarly, you can go around and import out other footages right here. So instead of having production ID as name, you can simply go around and rename out this particular footage, and I'm going to go around and say mountain top right here, just like this. So that is what you can do, as you can see, and you can make your media more organized right here. So I'm just going to go around over here. You can also double click on the name and then rename it out right here. It won't change the original file name, but will only change out the name of the video over here in the project assets panel for easier management. And that is how you can rename clips inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.